is Anand. So now I'll go ahead with the voice to code part where the user can ask for the logic, select the language, and the web app will give the respective code, requested code. Open Python. Let me try that again. Open Python. Add two numbers for me. So once they've gotten a certain segment of code, they can. We have a compiler feature that we've embedded with the website. They can just paste their code down there and say they can give their custom input what they want to give. Let's say here, let's gonna add 2 and 6. According to the code, there's two inputs. We're gonna give 2 and 6 as input, so we can try running the program, and it should ideally print 8 as the answer, and it did. So they can test it out. So now let's also so wait. So this is one segment of the thing, one segment of the project, and the other segment is we're converting code from one language to another language. I've already written code in C++. Ready. I'm just going to paste it over here and I'm going to try to convert it to Python. When I say convert on site, it basically just converts this particular C++ code into Python code, and the user can further use this in their program on the same compiler if they choose to. There's also another method where they can convert a code. They can also upload the code instead of copy pasting it in case they want to download it as a file. So I'm just going to upload a code here. It's a small Python code that I'm going to upload, and I want to convert it to PHP. I say convert code. It's going to download a convert to PHP code file, and once I open the file, you can see that the Python file that was initially uploaded will be converted into PHP. So our target audience are students and people who want to learn coding, and we want to keep them coming back to the site. So for that, we have a rewards page that we made where people can say earn points by solving challenges that were created in our Hacker Earth portal. By solving problems, they can earn points, hackers, and with the points, they can redeem cool stuff. And that's an incentive for people to come back and start learning coding in another language.